Middle of the night, the girl who was sleeping down suddenly shouted, like literally shouted, and ekdam jhatka deke she got up.
हाँ.
Hearing the shout, the one who was sleeping up got up, asking what happened.
Hi guys, welcome back to my podcast channel Something You Wanna Know. Well, in this episode, Sachit, whose narrations are brilliant, will be sharing an experience about a real life incident that happened to his close friend from Indore. However, his friend has requested us not to disclose her name. So sit back and enjoy a horrifying ghost story which will definitely give you chills.
All right, so I don't even know whether I should term this as a story or probably I'll let you guys to decide that. So this is actually a testimony, a narration according to me, and no matter how dramatic or even if it sounds like a typical Hindi movie, but I want you to understand the severity and the seriousness behind somebody saying something of this sort and opening up and telling, because guys, such things are really personal. You know, when you tell somebody that you had an experience or you were possessed or you had somebody done a spell on you or something like that, the opposite person starts judging you at one point of time. They might feel that you might be psychotic, you might be more into the dark world. They start making their own perceptions about you, and it becomes a little difficult to adapt and adjust to that particular environment within that setting. So a very close acquaintance of mine, she narrated this story to me, and it is not a very this is not something which happened years back. It's like just a couple of years back, like 2 or 3 years back, which happened.
Okay.
So this basically is from Indore. This girl is from Indore. She was pursuing her MBA, and she moved out of the house because the college was far. So she wanted to take another place close to the hostel or to the college. So they were looking out for hostels. She couldn't get one proper. So she looked out for a house, probably a 1 BHK or a studio apartment. So luckily, one of her friend who is also from MP said that, why don't, we both share the same accommodation and, we can split it off. And this like, fine, not a problem. They searched for a house. Now, I'll give you details. So this is LIG Colony in Indore, one of the apartments in one of the societies. And they got a really nice flat. It was very cheap. So they said that, I like the place, we'll finalize this. Started moving stuff, and finally they moved in. It was a 1 BHK, wherein, like how typical Mumbai houses are, right? So you have the hall and then the passage. Now in the passage you have the kitchen, then you have the bathroom, and then you have one bedroom.
And then the
like
correct.
a train. It's like a train, right? So this house was also more likely similar. However, they didn't have much of saman because they were students, right? So they might be having their own beddings, clothes, and max to max an induction, right? To cook Maggie or chai or coffee, whatever. So they moved into the house. There was a cot which was kept in the drawing room, which was by the owner. It was like कि जिसको जहाँ सोना है वहाँ सो जाना, it's fine. And the house was also pretty spacious enough. And they settled in the bedroom. So there were two girls. So these two girls nicely set up everything and started staying normally. College started going to college. When they both used to come back home, so it was like the house never had sunlight. Now, because of the direction of the house, there was no sunlight coming in. When you have something around, if there is something around, that starts playing with your head. It automatically starts playing with your head, with your emotions, with your thinking, everything. So when they came home, after a week passed by, so one of the girl started feeling scared, like fear, tremendous fear, coming back to the house. And she said, "यार मेरे को घर में अच्छा नहीं लगता. I don't like it in the house." And
Just
the
randomly,
other
she
friend-
started having this feeling of fear.
Yeah,
Nothing had happened to her yet. Okay.
nothing happened. This girl
Okay.
always had a very fearsome approach towards going home. And whenever the other girl was not at home, this one wouldn't be only at home.
Okay.
She would go out
Oh.
somewhere. She didn't want it to be left alone in the house.
Yeah.
So one night, it was winters and Indore becomes very cold. So they were sleeping. One of the girls started feeling very cold, and she said that, I really can't sleep on the floor, because even though the mattress also becomes cold, right? It's a thin mattress, becomes
Yeah.
cold, right? It's like what we'll do is we'll get the cot inside and
Okay.
we'll put it in. So if you want, if you don't mind, I can sleep up because I feel very cold down. And the other said, yeah, fine, no problem. Chal, we'll get the cot inside. So they got the cot inside and they slept. So that night happened. In the morning, when this girl, the one who feels scared, was having a shower, she felt that somebody's looking at her. Like, right? Even if I'm sitting like this,
Yeah.
Hmm.
You
Some
get the
get that
feeling
feeling.
that someone's looking. Yeah.
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 similarly like how I felt Bozo was there behind, right?
Yeah.
So, so even if I'm sitting and somebody passes from behind, if I can't see, I feel that somebody's gone by, right?
True.
But what if somebody is doing that really fast, like so fast? That would really give you the creeps, right? So similarly, this girl also thought that something passed couple of times, pretty fast, and she turned back, and obviously, like the movies, there's nothing, right? Can't see anything of that sort. So she thought that it might be something, or it may not be anything. It's just that what I'm feeling because I'm scared. But you always know that somebody is looking at you, and that feeling is very strong. So this feeling was very unavoidable, and she came out and she told the other friend that what I felt that somebody is seeing me. The other friend said, you felt it today? I've been feeling that since past 3 days. I was like,
Shit.
so why didn't you say? So he said, I thought that I looked like a fool. I was
Yeah.
like, no, but actually, I felt that there was something behind. And she's like, I've also felt that couple of times. It was like, so the one who was scared, she said that, do you feel scared coming home or something like that? Do you feel depressed when you're in the house, something like that? So she said,
Yeah.
not exactly, but then I feel bored. Boredom is the word. I feel bored when I come home.
Okay.
And then they went to college, came back. There was a knock. There was actually nobody. So it's like, so you try to convince yourself that it
must be the
wind,
kids. No, the kids, they
Kids.
knock and they run,
Yeah.
they ring the bell
They
and
run.
run. Yeah.
something like that. Yeah, hawa baj gaya hoga. So you try to convince yourself that way. But it might happen once, twice, thrice. That night, it happened 15 times. Both of them felt a proper knock on the door. And when they
They
went
both
open, there
heard
was
it.
nobody. There was nobody.
Damn.
Now was the time they started understanding
Freaking
that
out.
there is something wrong. Picking up on tiny clues and stuff now. And usually they were just talking, chit-chatting, standing in the balcony, talking about that, यार 15 बारी अपने को आवाज आया, कोई था नहीं, सही में भूत है
Finally,
क्या?
they're talking about it, like what's
They're talking
happening.
about it, yeah.
Yeah.
Is there a ghost? Or like random talks, what would you even talk about? That कि अगर कुछ होगा तो क्या करेंगे? अगर
हाँ.
सही में कोई भूत है तो what are we gonna do? तो ना
इसका
मैं तो
भूत
यहाँ से
होगा,
कूद
क्या
जाऊंगी,
होगा?
मैं तो यहाँ से कूद जाऊंगी, मेरे को तो हार्ट अटैक ही आ जाएगा, all
Yeah.
that shit. So बातें करते करते this one of them started feeling sleepy. He slept. Middle of the night, the girl who was sleeping down suddenly shouted, like literally shouted, and एकदम झटका देके she got up. During the shout, the one who was sleeping up got up, asking what happened, and this girl is not saying anything. She is completely stunned. It's like, what
Okay.
happened? What happened? It's like, I thought there's somebody sitting on my chest.
Okay.
So when they told me about this, when this girl narrated this, I said that, it's nothing, sleep
Could be
paralysis over here.
deep sleep paralysis. Yeah.
Because majority of the people experience the same thing, heaviness on the
Same
chest,
thing,
or
yeah.
can see a person on the window coming closer.
Yeah. Yeah.
This might be the possibility. इतनी research और study तो हमने भी करी है. It's like this was not the only thing, because you only experience, you don't start seeing. I was like, when did the seeing start? It's like, I'll tell you. So she said that she experienced heaviness on the chest, as though somebody is sitting on her chest, and literally, not with butt on the chest, but with legs crossed, and
like this.
sitting in, like
Proper.
Yeah, like
how you sit for meditation, right? And she couldn't move unless and until she shouted, the heaviness didn't go away. But that was also the thing, that when she shouted, she got up. So whatever she was imagining, or was she being delusional, or was she actually experiencing, that thing went away. And this one said that you might have dreamt about something, because we've been talking about it.
Yeah,
तो they
could be a
come
nightmare.
Come and sleep. So slept, tried to get back to sleep again. Now obviously तुरंत तो नींद लगती नहीं है, because
that's
you
right.
can't get out of the trauma that something
Yeah,
like
you're
that's what
scared
happened.
now. Yeah.
Absolutely. So she was trying to go to sleep, they were still chit-chatting, and suddenly one of the girl feels a pinch, like something pointing on her back from down.
So they both were sleeping on the cot.
Sleeping on the cot, and they felt that something is pointing, something is pricking continuously, like wake up,
Yeah.
or don't sleep. Now this girl thought that it might be something poking which is on the cot, because she slept today.
Yeah.
Before this she never slept on the cot, so she thought that something might be poking.
It's the same girl who was on the floor and she had that heavy feeling on the chest. Oh, okay.
She tried adjusting herself, left, right, nothing. That thing continuously kept poking, and she's trying to take it out, or probably some screw, or something in the mattress mismatch or something, something. She's trying to take it out, and suddenly somebody catches her hand, and the way she screams, and it's not like a proper catch, it's like somebody's trying to imprint their entire hands on the other person's hand, like it was that hard. And the way she screamed, this time the girl who was sleeping next to her, she fell down. And she was in a different zone altogether. She could actually see that there is a woman lying down under their bed with this girl's hand, and she's looking at her under the bed.
I can imagine that right now.
That's what is happening. I'm imagining as he's saying the story.
She couldn't even scream.
She
I'm
froze.
talking about 3 years from now. That girl still can't scream. She can't talk. She's in that
She's
state.
got mute?
Yes. 3 years back and now. And I've confirmed this before we started this podcast. I was like, uski hal, like, how is she now? It's like, she's just like that. That was the time, and today's day, she's just like that. She couldn't get over it. Continuation to that, when she saw that lady, this girl, जिसका हाथ पकड़ा हुआ था, she forcefully took her hand off, shouted, and saw this girl down, and tried to pick her up, and she also couldn't understand what exactly is going on, because she saw him, this one didn't, she felt it. So इसने उसको उठाया, and luckily the house owners were staying down, and then they
so
took
they
her
heard
away.
the commotion.
So
they hear
took
the
her
girl
away.
screaming.
This was going on. This was a matter of hardly 2 hours. All these incidents what happened.
Yeah. Okay.
Within 2 hours, all this happened. And when they went to the drawing room, the neighbors came out. I was like, what happened? And this girl, jiska haath pakda tha, she was continuously crying. that this is what exactly happened with us, and the other girl was mute. She couldn't utter a word. She couldn't come out of that shock that what she saw.
Yeah.
And they called their parents that कि you guys please come soon. And एक के तो parents इंदौर में ही रहते थे, so they came immediately, and they took this girl and both of them to their house, and trying to ask what exactly happened. So it seems that house had a family dispute, and the owner's wife was very much attached to the house, and the owner's girlfriend was eyeing on that property. So when the wife came to know that this is the situation, and when the girlfriend came to know that the wife is not going to let go of that possession, the girlfriend killed the wife, and that wife is still there in anger, and the court it's her court. And they also say that the tenants who were staying there before experienced even worse things. They said that they could see the cot moving in the house according to where she wants to sleep. So many times they have seen that woman, and trust me, she did not have a very pleasant face, like how you can imagine. So when she was narrating that what they could say, the way she imagined was this girl was milky white with a very white face, very hideous white face, long hair, and she would be floating around in the house. And many times, as soon as you entered the house, the initial tenants, they saw that lady sleeping on that cot. It was her cot.
Why didn't they just throw the cot out?
That wouldn't have solved the thing, no?
At least.
Maybe
you can
now
still imagine her in my
head. I was just imagining she's like under the bed, she's like, Tera bhi chance aayega.
Scary,
but the worst part was that girl is still mute. I don't know what is she in her, is she playing with her, that she's the one who's got her mute, but then that girl just doesn't talk anymore.
Maybe because of the shock.
It's just the shock. It's just the shock.
Well, that's all for today's episode of Something You Wanna Know. I would like to thank Priyanka and Sachit once again for sharing their ghost stories. If you haven't watched the rest of the parts, please do watch it. I will leave the link in my description below. Thanks once again, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.